Okay children, now just let's take example of 25. Now we will find the factors of 25, all the factors of 25. How? You will write in the very first step, you will write the numbers from 1 to 12. One by one we will multiply each number by any number to get the product as 25. Now we will start with 1. To find out the factor of any number, we will simply divide that number with the digit. Okay, so suppose if I say is 1 a factor of 25, how will you find? You will divide 1 by 25, you will get the answer. Here we have divided 25 by 1. How? 1 into 25 will give you the answer 25, and here the remainder is 0. Okay, so 25 is 1 is the factor of 25. Now here children, just remember, this is the property of factor, that 1 is the factor of every number. Okay, and each number is the factor of itself, which means 1 is the, you will whatever the number is, if you will multiply by 1, for example we have taken 25, if you will multiply it by 1, you will get the answer. That means 1 is the factor of any number. 100 into 1 will give you 100, 1 into 1 will give you 1, 20 into 1 will give you 20. Okay, so here what we have done, we have divided 25 by 1 to check whether it is a multiple factor or not. Here we have got remainder as 0, that means 1 is the factor of 25. Now let's just divide 25 by 2 to see whether 2 is a factor of 25 or not. Here we have divided 25 by 2. So how many times you will multiply 2 to get the answer 25? Right, 2 into 12 is 24. Okay, so we will take 24 because 24 is less than 25. We cannot go beyond 25, right? Because in division we cannot go beyond the number which has to be divided. Okay, so we will go to the nearest small number. Okay, so we have multiplied 2 into 12 to get the nearest answer, which is 24. Now we will subtract 24 by 25. We have got the answer 1, which means 2 is not the factor of 25. Why? Because the remainder is not 0. When remainder is not 0, that means you cannot totally multiply 2 with any number to get the answer 25. Alright, now let's just check 3. Again we will divide 25 by 3 to check whether 3 is a factor or not. Here we have divided 25 by 3. Okay, 3 will go 8 times to the nearest 24. 3 nines are 27. So 27 goes beyond, 27 is larger than 25, so nearest small number is 24. 3 8s are 24. Here again 1 is remainder, which means you cannot multiply 3 with the number to get the result as 25. Now let's just check 4. 4 will go 6 times. 4 6 are 24. Again when you will divide the 25 by 4, you will get the answer. So 6 times. 4 6 are 24. Again when you will divide the 25 by 4, you will get the answer 24. So here the remainder is again 1. So again 4 is not the factor of 25. Now let's check with 25. Here you will multiply 5 into 5 to get the answer 25. Now children, see, here we have multiplied 5 by into 5. Okay, so 5 5s are 25. Now when you will subtract, you will get the remainder as 0. Okay, which means 5 is the factor of 25. How? like this. 5 into 5 is equal to 25. So this 5 becomes your factor. Now let's just check 6. 6 into 4 will give you answer 24. Again not 25. Why? Because 25 doesn't come in the table of 6, right? So nearest was 24. 6 4s are 24. Here the remainder is 1. So 6 is not the factor of 25. Check 7 whether 7 is a factor of 25, which means let's see in the table of 7 whether 25 comes or not. Okay, we will only try the table till 12. Okay, now here we will divide 7 by 20. We will divide 25 by 7 to check whether 7 is a factor. How? 7 3s are 21. 7 4s are 28. Okay, 28 is larger than 25. So we will take 21, which is 7 3s are 21. When you will subtract, you will get the remainder as 4, and which is not 0. When the remainder is not 0, that means the number is not a factor of the given number. So we will cut 7. Now let's just check 8. 8 will go 3 times to give you the nearest small number of 25. 8 3s are 24. Again 1 is the remainder, which means 0 is not the remainder, which means 25 doesn't come in the table of 8. So here we will cut 8. Okay, now check 9. The same way, 9 will go 2 times. 9 2s are 18. Now when you will subtract 18 from 25, you will get the remainder as 7. Again 7, which is not 0, so 9 is again not a factor of 25. Let us just check 10. 10 will go 2 times to get the nearest small number, which is 20. The remainder is 25. Remainder is 5. Again 10 is not the factor. Let's check 11. 25, as you all know, when you will read the table of 11, 11 1s are 11, 11 2s are 22, and then 11 3s are 33. Okay, so which means 11 is not the factor. 11 is not the factor of 25. 12, when you will multiply 12, 12 1s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36. Now 12 2s are 24 and 12 3s are 36. In between there is no number which is equal to 25 in the table of 12. So with that means 12 is not the factor of 25. Now we will not check 13, 14. Why? Because while doing the factors, we check only from the numbers 1 to 12. Okay, so which means factors of 25 are 1, here 1, 5. Now you will not write 2 times 5. We just want to know the digit which is the factor. Okay, so 5 is the digit, no matter how many times it is coming. Okay, 5 was the digit, so 5 is the factor and 25. Why 25? Because every number is the factor of itself. Whatever number is there, you want to find out the factor, it is the factor of itself. So 25 is the factor, and 1 is again there is a property which says 1 is the factor of each number. So 1 will remain the factor of any number. Okay, so the factors of 25 are 1, 5 and 25. So children, the same way you will find the factors of 6, 8, 10, 15 and 20. But here just check 6 is the number, 8 is the number. Don't go up till here, just go till 6. Okay, why? Because it is a small number. Okay, don't check whether 7, because when you will multiply 7 by 7 into 1, the very first number is bigger than 6. So there is no point of checking 7, 8, 9, 10. The same way, while checking for 8, all the factors of 8, the very first number is bigger than 6. So there is no point of checking 7, 8, 9, 10. The same way, while checking for 8, all the factors of 8, don't go beyond 8. Okay, why? Because when you will multiply 9 into 1, you will, the very first number is 9. So 9 is greater than 8. So just check till 8. Okay, the same way do the exercise.